Do you think you know everything about the continent of Africa? There are lots of misconceptions about the continent of Africa, and exactly that is what we are trying to shed light on. Number one, Africa is not a country. There are 7 continents in the world, and Africa is the second largest after Asia. Africa is divided into 54 countries. It covers about 20% of Earth's land area. If the Earth's land area is a round pizza and you cut it into 5 parts, Africa is one piece. It has an area of over 30 million square kilometers and covers about 20% of the Earth's land area. Its size is that of USA, China, India, and most of Europe combined. 3. Africa is not overpopulated. Considering Africa is a continent with a population of 1,542,985,779, Africa represents 18.3% of the world's population and a density of 52 people per kilometer square. Africa is not overpopulated in comparison to China, which is 17.2% with 151 persons per square kilometer, India 17.78% with 492 persons per kilometer square, and Indonesia, which is 3.10% with 331 persons per square kilometer. Africa is home to the world's most genetically diverse humans. The most genetically diverse group of people globally are the sub-Saharan Africans, particularly the Khoisan peoples of Southern Africa. The Khoisan people of Southern Africa hold a unique place in human genetic diversity, possessing the most DNA that is not found in any other group. Number 5. Africa is subdivided into 5 regions. We have the Northern Africa, the West Africa, Central Africa, the Eastern Africa, and the Southern Africa. Number 6. Algeria is the largest country in Africa by area. It has an area of 2,381,741 kilometers square. It is followed by Congo, then Sudan. On number 8, we have Mali, and number 9, we have South Africa. Africa is the cradle of humankind. Humans first evolved in Africa according to archaeological artifacts in form of fossils and tools used by early humans found in South Africa and some other parts of the African continent dating back to 2 million years ago. Number 8. The most populated country is Nigeria, with a population of over 206 million. It is followed by Ethiopia, 114 million. Number 5, we have South Africa, 60 million. Number 8, we have Sudan, 46 million. And on number 10, we have Uganda, 42 million. Number 9. The smallest country in Africa is Seychelles. It has an area of 451 kilometers square. Followed by Sao Tome and Principe, 964 kilometers square. The countries with the highest average temperature annually are Burkina Faso, 29.3 degrees Celsius. We have Mali on number 2, 29.2 degrees Celsius. On number 5, we have Benin, 28.7 degrees Celsius. Africa is scoring very high in the entertainment industry, in the technology and innovation industry, in the agricultural technology industry, and also in the energy and renewables, to mention a few. Number 12. The most widely spoken languages, the indigenous languages in Africa, are Swahili with over 200 million, speakers. We have Hausa, 70 million speakers, Yoruba, 60 million speakers, Oromo, 400 and I think 4 million, 41 million speakers, beg your pardon. And we have Amharic with 36 million speakers. In the same vein, there are over 3,000 languages spoken in Africa. The highest point is the Kibo Uru Peak on Mount Kilimanjaro. It is located in Tanzania and stands on an elevation of over close to 6,000 meters, which is about 19,341 feet. Number 15. The lowest point in Africa is found in the Lake Assal in Djibouti. It has an height of 155 meters, about 509 feet below sea level. Number 16. The longest road in Africa is the Cairo-Cape Town Highway. It spans over 10,228 kilometers and connects Cairo in Egypt, in the northern part of Africa, to South Africa, which is in the southern part of Africa. Number 17. The shortest road is the Great Pass in Cape Town, South Africa. It has a length of 97 meters only. The longest rivers in Africa are River Nile with a length of 6,650 kilometers, River Congo 4,700 kilometers. On number 6 we have River Orange, which is 2,200 kilometers. Number 19. The shortest river is the Klein River in South Africa, and Klein River means small river, and it is, just like point 18, is subject to debate. Number 20. It is almost impossible to talk about Africa without mentioning the skin color. Africans come in different skin colors, which is caused by the melanin pigmentation in their skin. And their skin color ranges from light skin tones, which is closer to the Asian color, to very dark skin tones. This diversity is due to a combination of factors, including genetics, geographical location, and natural selection. Number 21. Another characteristic that Africans possess is their type of hair. They have from curly hair to curly hair, and it ranges from type 3A to type 4C. The tallest bridge in Africa, the old one, is the Blue Crans Bridge in South Africa. It has a height of 216 meters and a length of 451 meters. It was built in the year 1983. And the new one is the Mtentu Bridge in South Africa. It has a height of 223 meters, length of 1,132 meters, and it is still under construction. The dominant religions in Africa are Christianity, with 49% of Africans being Christians. Islam, 42% of Africans are Muslims. We have the African traditional beliefs taking 8%, and those without religion or unnamed religions are 1% of the total population. Number 24. The richest man ever is an African. His name is Mansa Musa of Mali. He was the emperor of Mali between 1312 and 1337. He is believed to have had a net worth of around $400 billion in modern currency, surpassing even the richest people alive today. His wealth came from trading copper, gold, ivory, salt, and nuts. The present richest man in Africa is Aliko Dangote of Nigeria. He has a net worth of $23.9 billion. His source of wealth is in the production of cement, sugar, and flour. Also, according to Forbes magazine, there are about 23 billionaires from Africa with a total of $105 billion.
Number 26. The tallest people in Africa. They are the Dinka and Nuer people of South Sudan. They have an average height of 6 feet. 27. The fastest man over 100 meters is Ferdinand Omaniola from Kenya, while the fastest woman over the same distance is Marie-Josée Tolu-Smith from Ivory Coast. 28. There are about 255 pyramids in Sudan, built by Nubians between 720 BC and 350 AD. There are about 118 pyramids in Egypt. Pyramids are monuments used to preserve tombs of important people in the past. They also serve spiritual purposes. 29. The first uni in Africa is arguably also the first in the world. The first university in Africa is the University of Timbuktu in Mali. Founded in 982 AD. Courses offered are geography, astronomy, medicine, and history. 29.2 There are over 1,274 registered universities in Nigeria. According to UniRank, Nigeria has the highest number of universities. The most highly ranked uni is the University of Cape Town. 30. Highest number of twins in the world. In Nigeria, there is a town called Ibora, known also as the twins capital of the world. Here in every 1,000 childbirths, there are about 50 twins. (31.1) The largest and busiest airport in Africa is the O.R. Tambo International Airport in Johannesburg, South Africa. (31.2) The first airport in Africa is the Heliopolis Airport, now Cairo International Airport, in Cairo, Egypt. It was built in 1910. 32. The largest and busiest seaport in North Africa is the Taj Menja Seaport in Morocco. The largest and busiest seaport in sub-Saharan Africa is the Port of Durban in South Africa. 33. The African continent is home to over 1 million plants and animals. This includes 50,000 to 73,000 plant species, 1,100 mammal species, 2,500 bird species, 3,000 to 5,500 freshwater fish species, 950 amphibian species, and 1,600 to 2,100 reptile species. 34. Africa is not poor because poverty. According to Nelson Mandela, poverty is not natural, it is man-made. And here comes my question: have you ever seen a group of free birds before and thought to yourself, these birds are so poor? These are some of the natural resources the African continent is blessed with.
Some of the areas Africa has contributed to the world.
If you learned a thing or two from this video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so, for more interesting contents. Until next time, peace and love.